We've all been there, untangling and tripping over hoses, dealing with leaks, damage, and generally feeling like water in the backyard is a chore we could do without. But there is a solution. Hoselink's freestanding metal hose reel box has been designed to provide an attractive yet practical way to store your hose out of sight, so you can actually enjoy watering and the view. And it makes a great alternative to the retractable hose reel as it doesn't require any mounting, making it ideal for renters and those with limited space. Hoselink's stylish metal hose reel box allows you to water the garden with ease before tidying the hose neatly away without tangling. The hose is protected from the elements by this sturdy metal casing, which also keeps the hose tidy and tangle-free, offering a sustainable and durable watering solution. And with a modern design and eye-catching charcoal colour, the box will complement any outside space. You can choose to purchase the metal hose reel box with or without a hose, so you can tidy away an existing garden hose or use our quality kink-resistant 30-metre hose in matching charcoal colour. The metal hose reel box features a powder-coated finish to protect against rust and comes with everything you need to get started watering, including a 2-metre leader hose to connect to your tap, Hoselinks patented hose fittings guaranteed never to leak or burst off, and an 8-pattern spray gun. You can also select it with a 30-metre Superflex hose included that has a standard 12mm internal diameter. The hose fittings form part of Hoselink's unique system designed to save water and keep you dry. The hose end connectors clamp onto your hose via this barb and split ring to ensure they stay put. And unlike traditional click-on hose fittings, each Hoselink fitting has the same face, which all connect with one another using a unique point and twist motion, ensuring a watertight connection that's easily interchangeable. Hoselink has put a lot of thought into how they can make watering even easier for you. So at one end of your hose, you'll find their unique connector with flow control. This fitting allows you to turn the water on and off at your fingertips, so you won't need to head back to the tap when changing watering accessories. The included 8-pattern spray nozzle has a range of useful settings, from a shower great for hydrating your plants to a powerful jet for cleaning, so watering is truly effortless. The metal hose reel box can be fitted with any standard 12mm hose up to 40 metres in length and can be pulled out to water anywhere in your garden with ease. And when you're done, the built-in self-layering mechanism moves the hose from side to side as you wind it to ensure it retracts neatly inside the box without any kinks or tangles, while the top lid opening means you have easy access to the self-layering system if you ever need to adjust the hose. As the metal hose reel box is a freestanding design, you have the freedom to place it anywhere in the garden close to a tap. If you want to know more about installing or getting started with your new metal hose reel box, check out this video here. Changing accessories is easy with Hoselink, so you can build the ultimate watering system to help make backyard jobs much more fun. Happy watering!